Congestion, traffic, and overcrowding along Los Osos Valley Road are major headaches in San Luis Obispo, but traffic relief is on the way. Today marks the start of a 2-year project, the LOVR Traffic Relief Project. Crews spent the day scoping out the area and cutting down trees, preparing the site for major changes. But drivers can expect a little more congestion during all this construction.
You know, I'm sure there is some concern a bit, but I also would imagine they're pretty excited about it because right now there's a lot of congestion and there's people who may not go to that whole area because of the traffic. So we're hopeful that a little bit of short-term delay will be translated into long-term vitality.
So be patient, in other words. Construction crews tell us that there won't be any lane closures until at least January.